Hello. I've progressed with this chair today. Put the sides on, the infilled sides. That's just got an inch or so of pad in there, not a lot. Hessian, and then webbed on the inside. So the back, this is called rubberized air, and the way I've used that is to web the back. I haven't sprung it actually, which I was going to do, but I didn't need to. Put this hair. This hair is quite. I can't remember, ginger fibre they call it, but there's other names for it. So that goes in there, and you build layers up of that, and then you put this over. It's brilliant, this rubberized there, because it gives you a sort of an almost finished look. But then put a layer of cotton felt over the top, and then we're on our way again. So here we are. That's my trade secrets coming out to you. And if you are doing a job and you're looking for ideas, then there we are. So moving on later, we'll do the springs, and I'll come back to you. Okay, bye now.